A Dream Journey Under the Starry Sky. One sunny night, Yuta, a boy living in a quiet village, looked up at the sky and counted the stars. While remembering the story of his favorite constellation, I imagined an adventure in my dream. Today, let's go see a special star, Yuta decided in his heart. As he lay on the bed, his eyelids gradually became heavier, and he fell into a comfortable sleep. In the dream, Yuta was riding a small boat floating in the starry sky. The ship overcame the silver waves and set out on a journey around the twinkling stars. Each of the stars had a different color, and when Yuta approached, they sparkled gently. The first thing I visited was the blue star Ori star. Ori Hoshi said to Yuta while emitting a blue light. Let's learn gratitude with me. Surrounded by the soft light of the stars, Yuta sang a song of gratitude to the small animals. The animals danced happily, and Yuta's heart warmed up. The next destination was the red star Akari star. Akari Hoshi, a symbol of passion and courage, encouraged Yuta to challenge. By challenging new things, your mind will grow. Yuta dreamed of his dream, and his heart was filled with a sense of anticipation for a new adventure. The last place Yuta visited was the golden star Canary star. The planet Canary is a star that symbolizes happiness and hope and taught me that any future can be created with my own hands. Yuta was encouraged by those words and gained the power to believe in his future. After finishing his dream journey, Yuta returned the ship with a warm light in his heart. As he closed his eyes and hugged the gifts from the stars, the dream world gradually faded, and he woke up in the gentle morning sun. Today, a new day begins again. Yuta remembered the words of the stars last night and decided to take a step towards his little dream. I had a refreshing day today with a relaxed feeling. That's it.